Woman tries to ride her wheelchair up the escalator last Friday. You can see not a good move. It did not work. She fell backwards, but thankfully she was not seriously injured.
It happened right early on.
Yes, early on a lot of people came, as you see, to help.
Have you guys think about this? If this happened to your family, what would you gonna do? And today, I will show you guys how to make a fall detection and send to your family group. So first, we will need an ESP32 to calculate all the code. And next, we will need an MPU 6050 to check is the wheelchair fall or not. And the third one, we will need a GPS module to send the location to the application we need. So when the wheelchair fall, we will need some alarm. So we will need some buzzer to make a sound. And we will need a button to shut down the beeping after the patient get help. And everything, we will need a battery for supply, otherwise the machine not working. And next, we will need a charging module to charge the battery up. So we have a battery, so we will need a switch to turn the electric off. And the last thing, we need a capacitor to make all the voltage smoother. So now I will show you how to make it. And this code works by finding the Wi-Fi and GPS and make a beeping sound to show you that it's already connected. And it's worked by if the machine fall down, it's gonna send the location to the application that you need, and it's gonna show you if it already get help. And this is how to do that. So first, we will connect the ESP to the GPS. And next, we're gonna use MPU 6050 to connect with the board. First, we're gonna connect with the ground and volt for the GPS, and then we connect the pin of MPU to this side. Next, we need the buzzer, and then we put the ground and V on the. So next we need a diode. I use LED instead of diode because I don't have it. So we use the diode on the V side and the ground of the switch, so they have no current go back. And next we're gonna connect the other side, so everything connected. So now we need the battery for supply everything. So we need a module to supply the battery. We have to connect ground and volt together. And then we place the battery wherever we want it. So now we need the switch to turn on and off the battery, so we don't have to run off the battery with the module. And then we connect one side to V in with the V from battery. And now we need a Y for ground of board to battery. Then we finish. Now we have to do a 3D print model. First we measure the length, width and height, so we can make a 3D print. So nowadays we have the 3D print. So now we're gonna put everything together to see if this work or not, and let's go out to try. And thank you guys for watching. I'll send the code in the comment, and please like and share, follow for more.